Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head to head so you don't end up with buyer's remorse. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy X8 Pro, a lean, mean cleaning machine. And on the right, the HONITURE G20, the budget-friendly multitasker. Buckle up because things are about to get vacuum-tastic. First up, let's talk money. The eufy X8 Pro comes in at a whopping $649. That's right, folks. You could buy a small island or this vacuum. Meanwhile, the HONITURE G20 is a mere $199. For that price, you could buy 3 and still have change for a pizza. If your wallet is as thin as my patience for bad Wi-Fi, HONITURE's got your back. Both vacuums boast a 4,000 pascals suction power, but the eufy X8 Pro uses twin turbine suction. It's like having 2 tornadoes in your living room, without the flying cows. Meanwhile, the HONITURE G20 uses a Japanese NIDEC motor. Fancy, right? It's like the vacuum equivalent of driving a sleek Japanese sports car through your house. So, suction power? It's a tie. But do you want a double whammy or a single elegant sweep? Next, let's talk navigation. The eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation. It's like it has a PhD in floor mapping. It avoids obstacles, cleans efficiently, and can even write you a thesis on the benefits of clean carpets. The HONITURE G20 uses intelligent gyroscope navigation. It's smart, but it's more like the vacuum that went to community college. It knows enough to get by, but might need a little more guidance. Reviewers love the eufy X8 Pro for its advanced navigation, while the HONITURE G20 gets praise for its simplicity and effectiveness. So if you want a vacuum with a higher IQ than your ex, go with the eufy. Now, cleaning features. The eufy X8 Pro has a tangle-free roller brush and customizable AI Map 2.0. It's like having a personal assistant that also happens to be a ninja. The HONITURE G20 is a 3-in-1 champ: vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Plus, it's super slim at 7.6 centimeters, so it can get under your couch where all your secrets are hiding. If you need versatility and a vacuum that moonlights as a contortionist, HONITURE wins this round. Reviewers particularly love the HONITURE G20 for its mopping feature and overall versatility. Battery life. eufy X8 Pro gives you 45 days of hands-free cleaning. Yes, you heard right, 45 days. That's longer than most Hollywood marriages. HONITURE G20, on the other hand, offers 150 minutes per charge. It's like the marathon runner of vacuums. While it won't last 45 days, it will come home to recharge without getting lost like a teenager after curfew. Reviewers love the eufy X8 Pro for its long-term reliability, although some have noted battery issues after several months. So if you prefer long-term commitment, eufy's your guy. But if you're into short, intense flings, HONITURE's your match. Finally, control methods. The eufy X8 Pro has customizable settings with no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's like having a robot butler with OCD. HONITURE G20 offers multiple control methods, including app, remote, and voice control. Alexa, clean my room. It's like having a vacuum that listens better than your spouse. Reviewers appreciate the HONITURE G20 for its ease of use and multiple control options, despite some initial navigation issues. If you love bossing around your gadgets, HONITURE takes the cake. Reviewers love the eufy X8 Pro for its advanced navigation, powerful suction, and long-lasting battery, although some have noted battery issues after several months. On the other hand, reviewers appreciate the HONITURE G20 for its affordability, versatility, and ease of use, though its mopping feature could use better instructions. So there you have it, folks. The eufy X8 Pro is the high-end, high-IQ choice for those who want luxury cleaning. The HONITURE G20 is the affordable, versatile option for those who love multitasking on a budget. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product smackdowns. Remember, shop smart, buy smart, and keep your floors cleaner than your conscience. See you next time. Product links are in the description.